Person who tries to please everybody ends up sad and miserable. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So let's get right into it. If you're that type of person that's always trying to please everybody, that is always trying to be on everyone's side, always trying to do what's best for everyone but yourself, that's always trying to make sure that you're the best dressed, or you're the most seen, or you're the most intelligent, but you're doing it for other people, then you end up sad and miserable. Part of becoming the best version of yourself is doing things for you, doing things wholeheartedly, living for yourself, doing things that serve you and things that are within your morals, your values and your grounds. If you feel like you have to put yourself out there to please everybody, then you're setting yourself up to fail, because you're never really going to please everyone. Not everyone's going to like what you're doing. Not everyone's going to like all the hard work that you're doing. Not everyone has your best interest at heart. Sometimes you might be helping somebody that's trying to bring you down. Sometimes you might be giving it all for someone who envies you, who's just trying to be like you, and they're just manipulating you. So you have to make sure that you're not doing things just to please people. And remember that people will take from you as long as you're willing to give. People will keep taking if they see that they can take advantage of you, if they can see that you don't love yourself. For example, relationships, people will take advantage of you if they know that you do anything to please them. That means that they know that you're always going to be around. They know that there's no consequences for their behavior, so they're bound to do anything knowing that you'll be there to take them back, or you'll somehow turn it and make it your fault because you're trying to please them. You go above and beyond for someone that wouldn't even go an inch for you. So you have to really analyze who you've got around you, who's within your circle, and make sure whatever it is that you do, whether it's your career path, whether it's relationships, whether it's in business, whatever aspect it may be, and make sure that you're not giving yourself up just to please somebody else. For example, if you've always wanted to be an engineer, that's all you've wanted to do, but somehow you come from a family of singers, it doesn't mean that you should give up your passions. It doesn't mean that you should give up what you're truly interested in just to become a singer so you can please everyone else within the family. Whatever it may be, make sure that you're doing things for you. Yes, seek advice, get some help where it's needed, but make sure that it's for you. It's something that you can live with. It's something that you'll be able to look back and say, yes, I've done everything I've wanted to do. I wasn't influenced. Everything I do is for myself, and if I'm willing to help, I'm willing to help you because I want to. If I want to go above and beyond, it's because I want to, not because I think you're going to like that, not because I want to please you, not because I want to please you. Okay, so make sure that you're not trying to please everybody, because you're never going to succeed at that. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.